Today we're making chocolate popcorn. Today we're making chocolate popcorn, and to do that we're using this gold medal glaze pop. This is the chocolate flavored glaze pop. It smells so good. It smells just like chocolate brownies. It tastes really good too. We're gonna add this just like we would our sugar when we're making kettle corn. So we're gonna put in our corn oil, our popcorn kernels, and then we're gonna add this just as our popcorn kernels start to pop. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of corn. We're popping this popcorn today in our homemade kettle corn popper. If you want to get the plans to make one of these yourself, check out the link in the description. If you want to get your hands on the Popcorn Genius's free popcorn recipe book, there's a link down in the description. Click that link and get it today. Corn oil is heating up. Popcorn kernels are heating up as well. Once this popcorn starts to pop, we're going to add 1.5 cups of chocolate glaze pop. Alright, we're starting to pop. So now we add in 1.5 cups of chocolate glaze pop. Oh yeah, that smells good. Oh, that smells so good. Starts to foam up a little bit. Anytime you use these glaze pops, they always foam up like that. It's normal. You gotta let this get back up to temperature and start popping. The chocolate is so rich. It smells so good. Starting to pop up. Oh yeah, that chocolate smells good. using a mini sifter here that's put out by the kettlecornmachine.com. I made this mini sifter. It works great to get those old maids or those unpopped kernels down to the bottom. All right, look at that. All right, let's take a look at this. Couple pieces. Oh yeah, it's starting to get crunchy already. Get that nice coating on there. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. That chocolate. It's so chocolatey. It tastes so good. It's like a chocolate bar with crunchy popcorn. It is so good. So remember, you can make this too. It's just chocolate glaze pop put out by Gold Medal. So get out there and get popping.